it, dear Liza, dear Liza? With what shall I fix it, dear Liza? With what?
With a stick, dear Henry, dear Henry, dear Henry. With a stick, dear Henry, a stick.
The stick is too big, dear Liza, dear Liza. The stick is too big, dear Liza, too big.
Then cut it, dear Henry, dear Henry, dear Henry. Then cut it, dear Henry, cut it.
With what shall I cut it, dear Liza, dear Liza? With what shall I cut it, dear Liza? With what?
With a hatchet, dear Henry, dear Henry, dear Henry. With a hatchet, dear Henry, a hatchet.
The hatchet is too dull, dear Liza, dear Liza. The hatchet is too dull, dear Liza, too dull.
Then sharpen it, dear Henry, dear Henry, dear Henry. Then sharpen it, dear Henry, sharpen it.
With what shall I sharpen it, dear Liza, dear Liza? With what shall I sharpen it, dear Liza? With what?
With a stone, dear Henry, dear Henry, dear Henry. With a stone, dear Henry, a stone.
The stone is too dry, dear Liza, dear Liza. The stone is too dry, dear Liza, too dry.
Then wet it, dear Henry, dear Henry, dear Henry. Then wet it, dear Henry, dear Henry. Wet it.
With what shall I wet it, dear Liza, dear Liza, Liza, dear? With what shall I wet it, dear Liza? With what?
With water, dear Henry, dear Henry, dear Henry. With water, dear Henry, dear Henry. With water.
With what shall I fetch it, dear Liza, dear Liza? With what shall I fetch it, dear Liza? With what?
With a bucket, dear Henry, dear Henry, dear